pulling a prank here. We are about 10 minutes from my brother-in-law's house, and we tease him constantly about moving up here where it's winter all but 2 or 3 months out of the year. So we're all wrapped up in our warmest stuff, and of course it's 69 degrees outside, so it's not cold enough for this, but I think he'll get our point.
On the right? Or left, did you say? On the right. Okay. No, not that one, but the next one. Maybe. 2665. What's that? Oh, there he is up there. He's waving.
Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Are we getting out?
Smart Alex.
Hey, man.
What the heck is this? You people from the
prepared.
south are all the same.
Any minute now. Any minute now.
You joined in on it too?
Yeah.
You liar, you got shorts on.
Guess whose idea this was?
I wanted to talk for a second about our setup here. So we ended up being plugged. You see the power cord. We're plugged into a shed that he had here. The weather has been tremendous, so we have not needed the air conditioner for sure. At night I'm even closing windows. So we fit real nicely in this spot. We have a view out of our dinette of the lake behind, which is really nice. You can see Cindy's got the lawn chair set up here, so we get up a little earlier than they do so we can make our coffee and sit out here and enjoy the morning. Good morning, everyone. We are on the road again. Have a truck full. We have brother-in-law Dana on the end, Owen sitting next to me. We have Aunt Karina in the back. Ethan and Mom are back there somewhere. And we are headed to where?
Sleeping Bear Dunes.
Sleeping Bear Dunes. Got a bright early start today. It's about
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock in the afternoon. You know, it's not vacation if you start before lunch.
Right?
Oh, the watercolor.
It's beautiful when the sun's shining. It's like an emerald green.
To the right.
It's almost like the Gulf, Cindy, when the sun's out.
And what is this? Grand
Little Glen Lake.
Little Glen Lake. You gotta talk to the camera. We're headed into the town of Glen Haven, which is right on Lake Michigan.
Oh, they got the general store open too.
Y'all want to park here?
Yeah, yep, let's park. And guess what? It's free.
We are out walking the town of Glen Haven. What you doing there, Cindy?
I'm looking at the rocks. I'm looking for Petoskey stone.
Oh, there you go.
Hey,
Through them.
You're looking at that girl in the bikini. I saw her. Uh-huh.
Over by the chart. So our major highway is Lake Michigan. And in fact, this little bay on South Manitou Island is the first natural safe harbor that ships come to when they're coming up from Chicago.
So we got lucky. We just happened to walk right into a guided ranger tour of the city.
We can learn so much from our past history. Now one thing is, you come over here. Along Front Street, most of the lawns have some kind of structure on it. See what was underneath. And what they found was vertical plank. They ate the bugs that pesticide, so we were losing swallows.
One ringy dingy.
Somebody had to climb up there, don't you? Get rid of those shingles and put down metal. He was a well-respected man. In fact, it was a big pusher.
This one.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
Wow, babe, that's
Can we go rock searching?
rock
Looks
searching.
like a greenstone.
Almost. Look,
I want to find a rock.
Or
Iron-
is that the Manitous or
No.
Isle Royal?
Isle
Look
Royal.
at this one.